we are a mother-son duo right now. Together, we are studying at SPJ IMR. I am doing the life program, and
I'm doing the Family Business Management program.
so we are very glad to be here as of now. And we have a sari store back in Bangalore, in Chickpet area called Kuberan. So initially, he started with the program.
I started the program back in April, and it has been a very good adventure for me through all the classes, different projects we have had. It has helped me grow as an individual. SPJMR has been a place which I feel like coming back every single month just to talk to my friends, learn something new, and look forward to in future.
Okay, so is that how you influenced your mom to also enroll into
Yes,
course, right?
my mom has been an active part of the business for a long time, and I felt like she always wanted to learn more, get a more deeper idea. So I felt it would be a good idea to have her also study with me, study in the same program if possible, and life program is done. So it was an opportunity for us to.
Exactly, yes. So I'm from a complete non-commerce background, so I don't know anything about the theoretical commerce per se. So I always found that lag between what was happening and way I compute things. So I mean, the way these programs are structured for him was amazing, and he completely thoroughly enjoyed. And when this opportunity came up, I was a little hesitant because after so many years sitting in the classroom for such a long time, but surprisingly we haven't been bored, or it's been like more of a conversation the way they teach us. So it's been an amazing experience.
That's amazing. So, as a mother and son duo in the family business, how has participating in these two programs shaped the way you both approach business decisions?
I think now, because what he's studying and what has been taught to me, it's more streamlined our thought processes. So both of us, luckily, are on the same page. When he tries to come up with an idea, I'm able to relate to it much better than before. Right now, I think I should introduce a program for my husband so that it will be a complete setup. But actually, we're able to talk to my husband better. So both of us, I think, we're little, years are like ganging up on him with ideas, and it's a nice experience.
It's a good opportunity for us both to actually discuss a bit more and then suggest the idea to my dad.
Exactly.
So we both know what we're talking about, and once we suggest it to my father, he also gets an idea more
and-
clearly than
Yeah.
before us.
And then since we're backing up each other in a lot of things, that's
It
helpful.
makes it easier for us to go take even steps forward.
Yes.
Awesome. So, as you've already mentioned, running side by side in the family business has, of course, been quite good for you. So, what pieces of advice would you give to other family members or other families looking to grow their business through education and collaboration as here?
Yes. Initially, his trajectory was to do the traditional pathway of going to the UK and doing his masters. And when this program came up, to be very honest, he got into good universities, and we were a little hesitant what he was doing, so losing the opportunity. But the way this program has shaped him and grown him, I don't think that kind of a connect we would have got it from there, because that is going to be very probably a good programs. I'm not going to take anything away from it, but this is so very connected to what our business is all about. So the FMB program completely understands how the Indian market works, how as retailers and the dynamics in the family business. So that kind of thing has been a very big eye-opener for him. And I think I would suggest people who are planning to go to the family business or in the family business also to at least take the time off, enjoy the program, because it is very very helpful for people how to communicate, how to get ideas across, how to listen also, works both ways. So that is nice.
So initially, I had studied in Singapore, done my IBDP and everything, and I did learn about business. I learned about running a business, understanding economics. I did all of the basic business there, business studies. But what I found here was they were teaching it to me in the eyes of family business. For a long time, I would see it in terms of just a corporate or see it as an employee looking into the lens of the company. But now I'm seeing it as a family business owner who wants to push his business to greater limits. So this has been a very big a blessing in a way for me. Instead of taking a step towards the more international approach, going somewhere else and studying, just continuing in India itself and taking this step into the course has helped me learn far more than any other program I've done.
What's the most valuable lesson you've learned from your peers or mentors in the cohort?
So being in a classroom with all like-minded individuals, I might never face certain issues, but I am always ready and prepared for it. I learn lessons from my peers, see how they are going through how they are tackling problems, see what I can pick from that. Today I'm just in the retail industry in textile in Bangalore, but tomorrow I might be in another industry altogether where the peer learning which I have gone through here, the suggestions which we have given each other, the case studies we have discussed on each other's families, these are lessons which I think which I'm sure will help me on a long run. Especially as a family business, you're not going to only stick to your single business, you're also going to diverse in time. And this is where this opportunity to learn from peers in this different industries benefit us.
Anything you would like to add?
Yes, on the same note as he said, yes, that's always there. But it was very inspiring to be with such like-minded women who want to come out of their comfort zone, who want to do something. And each and everybody's journey, it was very inspiring to hear about. And the way they have come out and the way they have tackled things and everything, I think I was very, very happy to know. I mean, I'm very happy with the entire classmates and to stay classmates at such an age, it was